Scientists are now controlling lightning with laser beams. No, this is not the latest Marvel villain. This is just scientists doing what they do. It's no mystery lightning's like dangerous, so...
Ever since our boy Benny Frank invented them, people have been using lightning rods. With these, the lightning hits the pole, not the building. Everybody wins.
But scientists were not satisfied, and they were wondering, how can we make a $2 million laser do the same thing a metal pole can? So now they've discovered how to capture lightning. Zeus has got some competition. Admittedly, they do not know what this is going to be used for. It's just cool. But I'm left wondering, how close are we now to lightsabers? Because I think we're pretty close.